Hello everyone, welcome to LBS. Today we will continue the chapter 2 exercise 2.2. We are at the question number 11. So, what is question? Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather and 29 years older than Bharat. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? What is given here? Bharat's father age is 26 year less than Bharat's grandfather and 29 year more than Bharat. And the sum of these three ages is 135. So let assume that let the present age of Bharat's father is X years, Bharat's grandfather is X plus 26 years and Bharat's age is X minus 29 years. The sum of all these threes is 135. Therefore, x plus 26 plus x minus 29 is equal to 135. It becomes 3x plus 26 minus 29 is equal to 135. Therefore, 3x minus 3 is equal to 135. This goes to right hand side, it becomes 138. Therefore, 3x is equal to 138. After dividing 138 by 3, we will get x is equal to 46 years. Therefore, Bharat's age is 46 minus 29 is equal to 17 years. His father's age is 46 years and his grandfather's age is 46 plus 26 is equal to 72 years. Next, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Now 15 years के बाद की जो रवि की एज होगी, it will be equal to the 4 times of his present age. So let's assume that Ravi's present is X years. After 15 years, his age will be X plus 15 years. As per the question, X plus 15 is equal to 4X. Now subtract this from 4X, it becomes 4X minus X is equal to 15. Therefore, 3X is equal to 15. After dividing 15 by 3, it becomes x is equal to 15 by 3 is equal to 5 years. Therefore, we can say that the present age of Ravi is 5 years. Question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. What is the number? So let's assume that the number be x according to question. What is the question? If you multiply 5 by 2 in the given question, so multiply by 5 by 2, this is 5 by 2x and 8 2 by 3. 5 by 2 से multiply करके 2 by 3 ऐड कर दिया and इसकी जो वैल्यू है is equal to minus 7 upon 12. So we get 5 by 2x plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 upon 12. Now use the cross multiplication here. This becomes 5 is 15x plus 4 whole divided by 6 is equal to minus 7 upon 12. 6 will cancel 12 in 2 times. Therefore, we have 15x plus 4 is equal to minus 7 by 2. And next step, we have 2 into 15x plus 4 is equal to minus 7. Therefore, 30x plus 8 is equal to minus 7. We just multiplied these terms with 2. Therefore, 30x is equal to minus 7 minus 8. It becomes 30x minus is equal to minus 15. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 upon 30. Its value is x is equal to minus 1 by 2. See what is given here. In the 14th one, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination of 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2 is 3 is 5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So लक्ष्मी एक कैशियर और उसके पास 100, 50 और 10 के डिनोमिनेशंस नोट्स पड़े हुए हैं और नोट्स का रेशियो कितना है 2, 3 एंड 5 और टोटल उसके पास कितना है कैश 4 लाख. तो हमको नंबर ऑफ नोट्स फाइंड करना है फॉर ईच. सो लेट्स अज्यूम दैट the 100 rupees notes will be 2x, 100 rupees 50 rupees notes will be 3x, and of tens it will be 5x. Now 100 notes are 2x, then total rupees will be 100 plus 100 into 2x. 50 notes are 3x, then total will be 15 into 3x, and 10 notes will be 5x, then total will be 10 into 5x. So add both of them is equal to 4 lakh. This becomes 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakh. The total becomes 400x is equal to 4 lakh. Divide 4 lakh by 400, we have x is equal to 1000. And how many notes of 100? The 100 rupees notes will where 2 into 1000, it is 2000. 50 rupees notes is 3 into 1000 it is 3000, and 10 rupees notes is equal to 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. Similarly, it is given in the question number 15. I have a total of 300 rupees in coins of denomination of 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. The number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denominations are with me? So हमारे पास 1 रुपीज़, 2 रुपीज़ और 5 रुपीज़ का कॉइन्स है, और टोटल उसका कितना रुपीज़ हमारे पास है 300. यहाँ पर ये बोला है कि 2 रुपीज़ के कॉइन्स है वो 5 रुपीज़ के कॉइन्स से 3 टाइम है, एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स हमारे पास कितना है 160. तो हर एक रुपीज़ के कॉइन्स हमारे पास कितने हैं वो फाइंड करना है हमें. सो लेट्स अज्यूम दैट 5 रुपीज़ कॉइन्स इज x, 2 रुपीज़ कॉइन्स इज 3x, and 1 rupees coins is equal to 160 minus x minus 3x is equal to 160 minus 4x. 1 रुपीज़ को कॉइन्स के बारे में कुछ भी दिया नहीं था हमारे पास, बट देयर आर टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स आर 160. देन वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट दिस coins from 160, then we have 160 minus 4x. According to question, 160 minus 4x is number of 1 rupees coins, then we multiply both of them. 3x is number of 2 rupees coin, then multiply it, and number of 5 rupees coins is x, then we multiply it with 5x and add all three. Then 1 into 160 minus 4x plus 2 into 3x plus 5x is equal to 300 rupees. Multiply all. This is 160 minus 4x as it is, plus 2 3 are 6x plus 5x is equal to 300. The addition of that will be 7x plus 160 is equal to 300. Now take it on the RHS. It becomes 7x is equal to 300 minus 160. Therefore 7x is equal to 140. After dividing 140 by 7, we have 20. Therefore 1 rupees coins will be 160 minus 4x is equal to 160 minus 4 into 20 is equal to 160 minus 80 is equal to 80. Means 1 rupees के coins हमारे पास कितने होंगे 80 होंगे. 2 rupees coins were 3x is equal to 3 into 20 is equal to 60. And 5 rupees coins is x is equal to 20. 2 rupees के 60 coins थे and 5 rupees के 20 coins थे. See what is given here in the last question. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of 100 rupees and a participant who does not win gets a prize of 25 rupees. The total prize money distributed is 3000 rupees. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. तो एक ऐसे कंपटीशन में कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने भाग लिया है. देयर आर टोटल 63 नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स. अब उस पार्टिसिपेंट्स में जो जीतता है उसे 100 रुपीज़ का प्राइज़ मिलता है, और जो नहीं जीता है उसे 25 रुपीज़ का प्राइज़ मिल रहा है. एंड टोटल प्राइज़ मनी कितना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ है 3000 रुपीज़ का. तो हमको नंबर ऑफ विनर्स फाइंड करना है. सो वी अज्यूम दैट लेट द नंबर ऑफ विनर्स बी एक्स अज्यूम किया. तो पार्टिसिपेंट्स कितने थे 63. तो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स विल नॉट विन बी 63 minus x. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 100 रुपीज़ वाले विनर्स कितने थे x एंड 25 रुपीज़ वाले पार्टिसिपेंट्स कितने थे 63 minus x. We multiply and add both of them. It becomes 100x plus 25 into 63 minus x is equal to 3000. Therefore 100x plus multiply these terms 1575 minus 25x is equal to 3000. It becomes, after solving these two terms, it becomes 75x plus 1575 is equal to 3000. Now take it on right hand side, it becomes 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1575. In the next step, 75x is equal to 1425. After dividing 1425 by 75, we have x is equal to 19. Therefore, the number of winners is 19. Your sum is complete here. Thank you.